Ernest, can you come on up and give the arcade award away, please?
Hello, Gotland! Is this the coolest place in the world or what? I mean, first you've got this amazing island with all its unique qualities. You have the fabulous history as being the head of the Hanseatic League. And then right in the middle of all this very old stuff, you have this fantastic university with, you know, one of the best Swedish game programs there is. And it's been a great privilege to me to be invited here to come and give these awards, but also to take up my position as a part-time professor here. So I'm going to be coming and seeing you quite regularly for the next few years. You may not always have cause to cheer. But before we roll the nominees, I do want to say one more thing about the Best Arcade Game. The Best Arcade Game goes to the first-year students, and the first-year students have a particularly difficult problem. I mean, first, they actually have to build a physical arcade machine. Probably most of you did not come in here with any carpentry skills. Secondly, we have an expression in English, which I understand you also have in Swedish, being thrown in at the deep end of the pool. And the first-year students are definitely thrown in at the deep end of the pool, and you have to work very hard and learn a lot of things in a hurry. And I have been deeply impressed by what I've seen, and the amount of talent and imagination and creativity and just sheer hard work that went into these games. So let's hear the nominees.